Transform your Laravel app into a revenue-generating powerhouse by seamlessly integrating the Stripe payment gateway. Our first step is to add the necessary Stripe package to your Laravel project using your preferred package manager. Next, we'll securely store your Stripe API keys, your public key, and your secret key within your application's environment file to ensure secure access. Then, we'll define a route in your Laravel application that will be responsible for initiating the payment process, receiving payment details from your frontend. Within your controller, we'll use the Stripe library to create payment intents or directly process charges, sending the necessary amount information to Stripe. On the front end, we'll leverage StripeAce to securely collect customer payment information and create payment tokens, or to confirm the payment intent directly in the browser. Following a successful payment, your application will receive a callback, which we'll use to verify the payment's success and update your order or user records. Finally, we'll present a clear confirmation to your user, ensuring they know their payment was successful, creating a seamless and trustworthy experience.